I learned this trick with a friend from Italy. Now I only make pasta like this. In a blender, start by adding 500 grams of spaghetti pasta. Then turn it to maximum power and grind it to a fine powder. This is the right consistency. Now transfer all this powder to a countertop and make a hole in its center, just like I'm doing here. Next, gradually add 5 whole eggs and mix until it all combines and a dough forms. When that happens, flatten this dough by hand as much as you can. Then, using a rolling pin, keep stretching it out, making sure it's not too thick nor too thin. Now, using a pastry wheel, cut it into thin strips, just like this, and set aside. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Once you've done that, in a large saucepan filled with boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, the pasta strips we made, and let them boil for 15 minutes. After this indicated time, the pasta has cooked through. You may turn off the heat, drain all the water, and set pasta aside. Now, in a small bowl, add 150 milliliters of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 pinch of black pepper, and mix until incorporated. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Serve by drizzling 200 milliliters of this sauce or any other sauce of your choice all over the pasta, and top it all with 30 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. That recipe is ready. You may now enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.